Placing a circuit board. As you can see here, this wiring harness here has all the safety controls as well as the fan wiring, the blower fan. And this other harness here also is have the start signal for the furnace to come on, the igniter, and it's also hooked up to the inducer motor. And the tabs here are for the fan, which call it speed you want for your heat and your blower. And normally you want the highest speed on the cooling, which is marked there as cool, which I put the black, that's the highest. And next in line is medium high is the blue. So, and on the end of this tab here is the one line is from the transformer right here, goes to the transformer there, and then the other line is to the power, which is interrupted by a door switch here. And the output from the transformer goes to this tab here. It's called it's labeled as common and 24 volts. All right, and then your thermostat wires go through here. All right, bye.